Yes, children. We want to construct a parallelogram more in which the OR is equal to 6 centimeter, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter and EO is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So before any construction, first of all, first step is this. Yes, first of all, we'll draw the parallelogram. We know in parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. So first of all, we'll draw the rough diagram of the parallelogram. Here the diagonal of the parallelogram has been given to you. RO, सबसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप इसको नाम दे देते हैं मोर, MORE. This is parallelogram more in which OR is equal to 6 centimeter. Since this is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. So EM will automatically 6 centimeter and EO, this is the diagonal. It is 7.5 centimeter. This is 7.5 centimeter. Now RE is 4.5 centimeter. So we want to construct this once again. We can construct EO. This is 7.5 centimeter. Now OR. MORE. यहाँ पे आप देखिए OR is 6 centimeter. That means this is also 6 centimeter. And RE is 4.5 centimeter. So now we have all the sides. Now since this is a parallelogram, this is the rough diagram of parallelogram. So this is also 4.5 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. We want to construct a parallelogram. So first of all, what we have to do, with the help of scale, we'll draw the line segment of 7.5 centimeter. Now, with the help of the ruler, we have to draw an arc of, first of all, we'll give the name EO. What is the measurement of EO? This is 7.5 centimeter. Now, with the help of the ruler, we'll draw an arc of 4 centimeter. So, we'll adjust the opening of the ruler to the 4 centimeter. We'll adjust the opening to the 4 centimeter, you can see. Now, by taking E as a center, we'll draw an arc. Now, by taking O as a center, we want to draw an arc of 6 centimeter. So let us adjust the opening of the ruler to the 6 centimeter. You can see we are adjusting our ruler, our rounder to 6 centimeters. Now little bit more we have to open. You can see the opening of our ruler is exactly 6 centimeter. Now by taking O as a center, we'll draw an arc Yes. Now, with the help of the ruler, now the intersecting point, let us mark the intersecting point of the arc is R. Intersecting point of arc is R. Now, what we want to do, with the help of the ruler, what we have to do, we'll join the E and R. We'll join the line segment E and R here. So you can see how we have to adjust our ruler. How we can adjust, you can see here. Yes. Now, again, we want to join O and R. You can see how we are joining. How we have to adjust our scale to join O and R. Yes. Now, again, by taking E as a center, we'll adjust the opening of the ruler for 6 centimeters. So we want to draw the draw EM. We want to find the point M. So by taking E as a center, we'll draw the arc (6 centimeter) radius. We'll draw an arc of 6 centimeter radius. Again, we'll adjust the opening of our ruler to 4.5 centimeter. Now by taking O as a center, draw the arc. Here we are not getting the intersecting point. So again we will draw the arc of 6 centimeter to get the intersecting point. See. Adjust the opening at 6 centimeter. by taking E as a center, draw the arc to get the intersecting point. Now we have got the intersecting point M. We have got the intersecting point M here. Again, with the help of the ruler, we'll adjust the opening. We'll adjust our ruler like this. Now, how we have to join the intersecting point, you can see here. With the help of the pencil, we'll join the E and M here. Yes. Again, we will adjust the one minute. This is actually not the intersecting point. We want to make the intersecting point first clear. This is our intersecting point. Let us mark the intersecting point. Now we want to join this. Yes. You will adjust your ruler like this and join the intersecting point E and M here. Yes, in this way we will adjust our ruler and join point O and M. So this is our parallelogram, required parallelogram. Let us write the measurement of each side. Now what is the measurement of RO? This is 6 centimeter. ER 4.5 centimeter. EM 6 centimeter. And MO, this is 4.5 centimeter. So in this way we have got our yes, you can see this is our parallelogram. More here you can see in which the RO is equal to 6 centimeter, ER is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and EM is equal to 6 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal, and you can see RE and MO, these are two equal sides. RO and EM, these are two equal sides. So you have understood, I think you have understood how we have to adjust how we have to mark the arc. From the point E, we will make the arc of 4.5 centimeter. From the O, we will draw an arc of 6 centimeter. From the point E, we will draw an arc of 6 centimeter. From the point O, we will draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Now let us write the steps of construction. Let us see what is the steps of construction. So first of all, steps of construction. What should be the steps of construction? Steps of construction. Yes, children. First step, draw the rough diagram. Draw the rough diagram. Yes, first of all, we want to draw the diagonal. What is the name of the diagonal here? We see EO. So first of all, we'll draw the EO of 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. Then this is our R, this is our M. M-O-R-E. So you can see this is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. This is your R. M-O-R-E. So R-E is also 4.5 centimeter and MO is 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. So like this we will draw the rough diagram first. Then what is the second step? First of all, draw the line segment EO. Draw the line segment EO is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now, this is the third step. By taking E as a center, by taking E as a center, draw an arc, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. What is the fourth step? By taking O as a center, by taking O as a center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. You can see from the E we have drawn the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Here from the O we are drawing the arc of 6 centimeter here. So in this way we'll get the intersecting point of the arc R. We will get intersecting point of the arc. We'll get the intersecting point R of the arcs. Now, sixth point, join RE, join R and E. Similarly, join O and R. Similarly, join O and R. O and R. Similarly, join O and R. Now, next seventh point, again by taking E as a center, E as a center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. On the opposite side of point R or on the opposite side of the line segment EU. On the opposite side of the point R. Eighth point, by taking O as a center, by taking O as a center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeters. We'll get the intersecting point M. We will get the intersecting point M. Last step, join M and E, join M and E and M and O. We will get the parallelogram more. So these are the steps of construction. First of all, we'll draw the diagonal. After that, according to the rough diagram, we will draw the M more. We'll draw the parallelogram more, or according to each side, we'll draw the arc. So in this way, we'll construct the parallelogram more. Now, we'll construct a quadrilateral when two diagonals and the three sides are given. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that DC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So first of all, we'll mark as the dimension of the sides given. AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter. AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now CD is equal to 5 centimeter. CD is equal to 5 centimeter. Diagonal AC. Diagonal AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. And diagonal BD is equal to 7 centimeter. So first of all, what we have to do, we'll draw the diagram. One of the diagonal we will draw. Let us draw the diagonal AC first. So with the help of scale, we'll draw the line segment, or we'll draw the line segment AC of 5.5 centimeter. AC of 5.5 centimeter. Now with the help of will mark the name of the side AC. This is AC 5.5 centimeter. Now by taking A as a center with the help of rounder, we'll adjust the opening of the rounder to 5.5 centimeter. Five point 5 centimeter. Now by taking A as a center, we'll draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Now again by taking C as a center, we'll draw an arc of 5 centimeter. So again adjust our opening of the ruler to 5 centimeter. Again we'll adjust the opening of the ruler to 5 centimeter. You can see the opening of the ruler is exactly 5 centimeter. Now by taking C as a center, you can see the arc. Now in this way we'll get the intersecting point D here. We'll call this intersecting point D here. Again with the help of the scale, we'll join the intersecting points D and A. We'll join the intersecting point D and A. You can see how we are joining the intersecting points. Yes. Now again we will adjust our ruler like this and join the D and C. Now again we will take the A as a center and AB. What is the AB? No. Now we want to find the C here. So you can see what is the measurement of what is the distance of B we want this intersecting point B. Now we want to get the D. So by taking D as a center, we'll draw an arc of 7 centimeter. So adjust the opening of the ruler. Now by taking D as a center, we'll draw an arc of 7 centimeter. Now by taking C as a center, we'll draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So again we'll adjust the opening of the ruler to 4.5 centimeter. You can see the opening of the ruler to 4.5 centimeter. Now by taking C as a center, we'll draw an arc that will be will mark the intersecting point as a B. We'll mark the intersecting point this is B. With the help of the ruler, we'll join AB This is the required quadrilateral ABCD in which AD is equal to AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter. DC is equal to 5 centimeter. BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And one more thing is there, BD is equal to 7 centimeter. So we'll adjust the BD here. We'll join the B and D to get the another diagonal. We'll join the B and D here. See, we'll join the B and D here. So that will be the required quadrilateral. Now, what we have done here, first of all, we'll draw the rough diagram. First of all, we have drawn the rough diagram of ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD, in which AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter, DC is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Here you can see the triangle ACD. You can see the triangle A, C and D. The three of the sides are given here. You can see the three of the side here. So we have drawn the ACD first. First of all, we will draw the line segment AC of 5.5 centimeter. Then by taking A as a center, draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter. By taking C as a center, we will draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Again, to get the point B, now by taking D as a center, we will draw an arc of 7 centimeter. Taking C as a center, we will draw an arc 4.5 centimeter. In this way, the intersecting point of the arc is B. Now, we will join the A, B and C. AB and BC. In this way, we will get the quadrilateral ABCD. Now, let us see the steps of construction. What are the steps of construction? So, steps of construction. First step, draw the rough diagram. A of ABCD. Join the diagonals. यह आपने ABCD बनाया. A, B, C, D. AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. DB is equal to 7 centimeter. DC is equal to 5 centimeter. CB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Second step, पहले आपने रफ डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. Then first of all we'll draw the diagonal. Draw the diagonal. AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now, with the help of, by taking A as a center, by taking A as a center, draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Fourth step, now taking C as a center, draw the arc of 5 centimeter. Now taking D as a center, no, we'll get the intersecting point D here. We will get the point D. Sixth step, join ADC. Join AD and DC. Join A and D. Similarly, C and D. C and D. Seventh step, by taking D as a center, draw an arc of 7 centimeter. By taking D as a center, Draw an arc of 7 centimeter. Eighth step, by taking C as a center, C as a center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. We'll get the intersecting points of the arc. Mark this point as a B. We will get the intersecting point B of the arcs tenth point, join B with C and A. Join B with C and A. टेंथ पॉइंट है आपका join B with A and C. We will get the quadrilateral ABCD. So I hope children you have understood what is the steps of construction here.